Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Today, I'm going to see if I can remove the wax through the forest of hair. Actually, I'm going to see if I can even find the wax through the forest of hair. Some patients produce a ton of earwax, where other patients produce nearly none. It's kind of crazy how the human body is different depending on who you are. One of the most common things I hear in my office is patients tell me, I don't use Q-tips, or when I use Q-tips, I only put them in the outside of my ear. Yes, I get this even from patients who have earwax pushed all the way down to the eardrum. I also get this from patients who've left the end of a Q-tip very deep in their ear. Most of the time, people don't realize just how far they're putting that Q-tip down their ear. As we remove the wax from the side of the ear canal here, we're going to get a good view of the eardrum, and we're going to do a little bit of our Did You Know. Again, on this channel, we always try to do a wax removal to entertain you, and then a little bit of a Did You Know to increase your knowledge base. Today, we're going to talk about tinnitus, or tinnitus. The pronunciation really depends on where you're from. If you think it should be pronounced tinnitus, put an A in the comment section below. If you think it should be pronounced tinnitus, put a B in the comment section below. I'm really interested to see which way people think the pronunciation should be. One of the most common things that we hear regarding tinnitus or tinnitus is, I couldn't hear because of the ringing in my ears. Ironically, the truth of the matter is that the #1 cause of tinnitus or tinnitus is actually hearing loss. There are definitely other causes of ringing in the ears, but the #1 cause is certainly hearing loss. If you're experiencing tinnitus or tinnitus, get your hearing checked. Visit a hearing healthcare provider and ask them to also do a tinnitus matching, which is where they match the type of sound, the volume, and the pitch, so we know exactly where your tinnitus is on the frequency spectrum. We're going to switch over the other side here. There's not nearly as much wax, but as always, if we're going to clean one side, we want to clean them both. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithms and get our videos in front of more people. Wonderful view of the eardrum there. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.